Mahdi?
Noise here. Huh?
Mahdi? What is
Ano?
this? Let me see.
No.
This is for lady. This is beauty queen.
No.
What is this, princess? This one Kinder Surprise.
Look at that.
And this one egg surprise cars. This is one insert. What is this? Insect world. Frozen. Who's this baby? Anna. Who's Frozen? This is Elsa. This one. A piece. What is this? This is Dusty. And then again another
Hey,
piece.
no, that.
I don't know
Mama.
who's this red Dusty. And then this one. Superpower.
Mama did that.
This is Mahdi.
Mama.
Always taking the egg. Say hi, Didi. Say hi, Didi. Say hi, Didi. Say hi, Kuya.
This is not Dusty.
Oh, who's that? This is Dusty.
Not Dusty.
And then who's that?
This is Dusty.
Okay. Who's that yellow then? I forgot.
I don't know.
Okay. Now, what we will open first?
This one.
Okay. Let me see. What's inside? You take Mahdi. To you. Baba will open. Baba will open. Okay, wait. Show the cutscene here. Let me see. Open it. Let me see. Once you open. Don't do like that, honey. Let me see. What's inside?
This is my favorite.
What is this? Oh, keychain. Which is this car? This is racing car. Oh, there is sticker also. And what else you have inside?
Oh,
There's candy, McQueen. Candy, shape of a car, McQueen also. Okay. And then, okay, what's next? Amadi will open. Open the Kinder Surprise, baby. Open the Kinder Surprise. Hala. Open for him, Baba. Let Baba open for you, Didi. We'll see what's inside. Wait, what's inside? Oh, the gun. Oh, this is the old one. This is like spaceship. Yeah. What is this? What? Oh, you see, I told you you will put water and then you will splash. Fly or butterfly? Dragonfly.